CASL is the Canadian anti-spam legislation. And in this regard, Canada is actually leading the world and being a test case for some of the new anti-spam tactics that are going to be used out there. This means if you're doing e-marketing, you need to be paying very close attention to the new legislation because it has changed the landscape. You have to have some sophisticated systems in place that track all of your e-marketing. You can't send out emails through Outlook because one of the first things that has to happen is you have to be able to auto-unsubscribe from anything that you receive that is a mass e-blast without having manual intervention. You can't do that through Outlook. The other things that are important to know is that there are 3 separate clocks that need to start running on everybody within your database. If you've got an existing database that you've marketed to regularly, you actually get grandfathered in for 3 years under the new CASL legislation and can continue to market to those people. In that interim, you have to get them to opt in to your marketing, primarily through a login box on your website that allows them to subscribe to your newsletter or e-blast. You can market to any of your customers for 2 years from the time that they last received an invoice from you. You have that amount of time in order to get them to opt in. And finally, if people make an inquiry to you, if they phone you up, if they ask you something, if they send a contact form on your website, you can market to them for 6 months. So all of the new people in your database are either going to be there for 6 months or 2 years, and all of the existing people in your database are going to be there for 3 years. So your system needs to be able to handle 3 separate clocks until you get all of those people permanently opted in. This is the reality of CASL, and it's the world we live in now.